Hello, and welcome to the Tartan Topiary. I'm Mary, and I'd like to invite you into my library as we look at this week's book. The Nature of Decorating, Interiors Inspired by the Natural World, written by Jenny Rose Ennis. Jenny Rose Ennis was born in South Africa and moved with her family to Australia 11 years ago. She and her husband Michael have renovated many properties in South Africa and Australia. In the introduction, Jenny writes, "Gardens and interiors and their design are my two great loves. Although never formally trained in either, I was able to celebrate both Australian and British design in my two previous books. With this book being my third, I wanted to continue my celebration of both garden and interiors by turning the focus on nature." Considered an expert with years of experience in decorating, renovating, and building homes, Jenny is perfectly placed to share her unique insights on how to bring the outside in. She easily achieves this by creating spaces that enhance our connection to nature. This book is both inspirational and practical, featuring stunning images of Jenny's own home and garden, along with the tips and advice from her extensive career. The Nature of Decorating is a testament to the discovery of the transformative power of nature. Immerse yourself in the stunning interiors designed with nature at their heart. From designers that Jenny has handpicked. A few of these designers include Wakefield, Cath Kidston, and Sean Anthony Pritchard, among others. As they showcase their diverse range of styles and ideas, discover how to let nature take root and flourish in your own home. The garden provides such a wonderful way of celebrating nature and the seasons. Bringing the outside in is always welcome, whether they be through the ever-changing display of flowers or armfuls of autumn leaves. Large pieces of wood on the veranda, ready to be burned on those cool winter days. But soon, the flowers that you buy for the house will remind you that spring and summer are indeed on the way. The Nature of Decorating. Interiors Inspired by the Natural World. Written by Jenny Rose Ennis. This book has 319 pages, and it is published by Quadrille.com. It retails for $50. I'm very excited because this year the Rose Forever Summer Collection is coming to an end. But that's a good thing because these prices have been heavily discounted. You can receive some of these luxury arrangements at the best price of the entire year. They are available in pink, red, and white, and the natural stone textures are inspired by modern interior design. These arrangements showcase lush, dome-shaped roses presented in sophisticated stone-inspired vessels. Unlike traditional flower boxes, these new designs are created to function as both a floral arrangement and a decorative statement piece. This collection also includes luxurious rose boxes and premium mixed flower arrangements featuring roses, Austin roses, peonies, and hydrangea. Each piece is handcrafted using real preserved flowers selected for their beauty and longevity. But don't worry, because Rose Forever still carries their all-time favorites. Whether you try some of their new products or some of their classics, each is handcrafted with real preserved flowers, elegant dome-style arrangements, luxury gifting, and home decor pieces, long-lasting beauty with no watering or maintenance required. Say no more. And on top of everything, you get an extra $20 off, plus free shipping, just by using the code TARTAN20. You'll come out smelling like a rose. I will leave all of their information in the pinned comment and in the description of this video. Last week, my daughter and I went to Restoration Hardware. We did some shopping and had lunch, and you all actually came along with us. I promised that I would share some of the items that we had purchased, but they had to be ordered, and they're not here yet. So hopefully, I'll be able to share those things with you next week. But don't worry, because the book we just reviewed, The Nature of Decorating, has truly inspired me. I think I'm going to decorate with nature, and I'm going to do it on my back porch. I thought I would share this. This is one of the skis that Daniel and I both learned how to ski on. We were 8 years old and on the Cape Fear River, of all places. The idea that I'm trying to make happen is sort of an ode to Bunny Mellon as well as Jenny Rose Ennis. I want to use topiaries, orchids, and, of course, as much toile as I can manage to hang. Oddly enough, I'm thinking about hanging a picture of Bunny Mellon or Capability Brown.
Let me stand on the table. To the left, a little. Oh, that's okay, because it overlaps. One. I'm cover over to the left. Okay, one. Okay, there you go. You sure?
When Daniel's on the ladder, I always try to make sure that he's safe, and I'll either spot him or just give him support.
I'm just afraid you need support. I don't need support. Okay, you got to put them up there just to see how they hang. Yeah, move that piece of equipment.
They won't hang without the ribbon.
Yeah, but we can stick it right near it. Let's just hold it. Well, you can't because you're not over there. That's right. We don't have one ladder.
I'll get everything else done. And then when I'm ready for that side,
Pretty close.
I'll call you.
That's pretty close.
Now, Daniel can hang the other side, and I'll get the topiaries, the orchids, the baskets, and the fun stuff. I think we're almost there. This portrait is of Mr. Capability Brown, but I promise, before it's over, I will hang a portrait of Mrs. Bunny Mellon. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll join me next week as we look at The Legendary Estates of Beverly Hills, written by Jeffrey Hyland.